It's actually my friend's Kawasaki Ninja 300, and I think it makes an excellent case for itself as a one-bike garage. The posture is very sport tourer, it's not hardcore sports bike. An R15 actually has a much more committed posture than this. And I think that's a good thing for the Ninja. Look at these people torturing that NS. Oh my god, I feel so bad for it. As a person who has an NS200 myself and does not let a third person sit on it ever, this is hard to watch. Oh my god. So if you scooch back and hug the tank with your knees, the posture is really very comfortable. The tank is very slippery though. Tank grips will do wonders for this bike in terms of everyday usability. Oh god, spitting as well. Pieces of shit these people are. Of course they're not going to follow a signal. Why did I even expect that? I'm a fan of sports bike mirrors though. You get an insanely wide angle of view, wide field of view, sorry. Let's go! Easy and accessible. It's not at all intimidating. I mean, yeah, if you're not used to like 35-40 horsepower, then it might take you aback a little bit at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, the performance on tap is so easy to access. I would be quite happy touring on this motorcycle as well, honestly. I do need the tank pads though. I am slipping forward constantly. It's putting more pressure on my wrists than necessary. That's only because I can't hold it properly without slipping. And of course I'm wearing joggers right now, not riding pants. Riding pants have better grip as well. So the combination of riding pants and tank grips would be sublime. We're heading to Koregaon Park now for two reasons. I'll get some nice shots there, the scenery is very nice. And on the off shot that we might see nice cars as well. It is Sunday evening, you never know. Now this is actually the BS4 Ninja, but it's still so smooth. Brother, what brother? Like in pretty much all the single cylinder bikes, you will notice that the BS4 and BS6 versions have such a huge difference in terms of smoothness. But twins have always been smooth, right? Parallel twins aren't room for smoothness, especially if you compare this and a Duke 390. A Duke 390 is immensely more fast. Like, okay, not immensely more fast, but significantly more fast. But the comfort and the ease of use and the smoothness of this motor is so nice. Must remember to tell my bro to get the biting point of the rear brake slightly higher up. I'm having to push my foot so downwards to even reach the braking point. And I'm wearing sports shoes. I'm deliberately wearing sports shoes because the last time I rode this bike, I was wearing riding boots which have a rigid ankle and I could not use the rear brake. Slipper clutch plus rev matching gives you the smoothest possible downshift you can imagine. It gives a kind of whine while going down in the RPM as well. I kind of like it. I honestly think if you have the budget, then this amount of power in a bike is perfect in India, especially in Pune. Because if it's any more than this, then you won't be able to use most of it unless you're on a dedicated ride. And if it's less than this, you can manage like I am doing on my 200cc NS. But a lot of times you feel like you wish there would have been more to give. It's time to open the tabs. 3, 2, 1, let's booyah! bit of a tail slide right now. You won't have seen it on the camera because it was very subtle. But the second time I downshifted just then, I did feel the tail give away a little bit. I think I might have had a bit of a tail slide. The road is simply as a teenager's face. Where we got probably. I was much lower that time round, so no chances of tail slides. I've got to say, for a sports bike, the suspension really isn't bad. Now, I've ridden a lot of bikes, okay? Now, you might look on my channel and say, no, you haven't. That's because it was on my other older channel. But a lot of the super bikes, they do get a little bottom clenchy sometimes. And by that I mean there's so much power on offer for those machines that a person like me, should I go? Yeah, so for a person like me who daily the 200cc, 1000cc or 150 horsepower can be very intimidating. This is a good middle ground because it is a deployable amount of power which you can get used to very easily. This is a very friendly motorcycle. And you get tremendous second-hand deals on these as well. So even if you don't want a BS6, honestly there's not a lot of difference between the BS6 and the BS4. If you get a good deal on a BS4, I would say just go and get it. Maybach GLS, there we go, nice car, number one. I say number one very ambitiously, like we're gonna see a Porsche or something. Porsches aren't that uncommon. Well, Cayennes aren't. We finally entered the domain of pretty roads. Love to have a house in Koregaon Park someday. Big dreams, I gotta say, big dreams. Is that a, what the heck? What the heck? A GMC truck? Are you mad? A GMC truck in India, in Pune. Brother, what? Are you mad? Bro, that's a GMC Denali. It's huge. Look at that thing. Chrome wheels, this is a proper American. Huh. We are seeing nice cars today. Brother, look at the size of this thing. Look at the size. Look at the distance between the wheel and the wheel arch. Are you mad? I'll tell you exactly what this bike is. It's fun. It's a fun motorcycle. I believe this is Mr. Poonawala's house. Yep. It is really a wonderful evening today. This is a motorcycle I would consider getting as an upgrade or an addition to like my small garage. You'll get around 20 to 22 kmpl on the city, in the city run, depending how you use it. Of course you have to consider all of this while buying a bike. Back when I didn't have my own motorcycle, my friends who own these bikes, Sarang and Niranjan, they used to give it to me to ride whenever I wanted. They still do, that's how I have it right now. I'm very generous with them. But when I didn't have my own bike, it meant even more. And on my birthday when I turned 18, I think it was 18. It was either 18 or 19, I can't remember. I wanted to start my birthday on a motorcycle. So we came to this exact place actually, on that same bridge back there. I was on the Ninja. This was about 3-4 years ago. I was this very bike. Midnight, I was on the bike. I started my birthday on the saddle of this motorcycle. And when we reached the society again, 10, 12 other friends were just waiting downstairs with cakes and gifts and everything. It was spectacular. That's the Ninja 300, ladies and gentlemen. One of my favorite entry-level sports bikes, which every time I saddle up, and quite frequently because I have generous friends, very kind friends, it makes me really happy to ride this bike. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Comment anything you feel, positive, negative, just leave a comment, guys. Subscribe if you'd like to see more such motorcycling content, and ride safe. Bro, 4 people, what the heck? That's gonna be so uncomfortable and not to mention awkward. Just make each other's babies at this point. Jesus Christ. It's 5, there's a small kid in front of me. It's 5 people.